This 2017 Coachmen Freelander 20CB Ford Transit is a Class C RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 23 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 6, stovetop burner, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, self-contained, awning, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, TV, skylight, slide-out, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front dinette, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2017 Coachmen Freelander 20CB Ford Transit is built on a FORD T350 TRANSIT chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.